Hi traders, good morning to you from Dubai. I hope you had your morning coffee and you're not as cold as I am. But yeah, of course, I know that usually people who watch me, they're not from Dubai, but now here it's too cold. Okay, you know me, my name is Maria, and here I talk about the trading situations. I'm a trader for more than like 12 years. I'm not sure for how long, but yeah, this is like a big part of my life. What I do here, I'm showing why I decide to buy or to sell something. So if you're looking for information how to start trading and why to start trading and what you have to know about how to trade, you are here to understand it. So please watch my videos from the beginning to the end, because from video to video I show you my routine, and this is something that you have to go through if you want to become a trader. I'm not sure where you come from. You can type under the video, but I know that in Dubai the situation is like here are a lot of people who say that you should trade, you should buy stocks, you should buy something like currencies. It's so easy. No, it's not easy. It is a profession. And I spend a lot of hours, a lot of days, a lot of weeks, and a lot of nights watching market, watching charts, 5-minute charts, hourly charts, weekly charts. You have to understand how it works before you put your money. Please spread this idea to your friends, to your neighbors, to people who you know. There are many different free lessons from companies who say that it's so easy, you'll do it. No, easily you will lose your money. If you want to trade, you need to spend a lot of time watching market. You need to spend a lot of time to understand how it works. And here, on daily basis, I spend time with you in Telegram channel, in my YouTube channel, just discussing where euro goes to, what my target is, where I sell gold or buy gold, why I sell Brent oil, WTI oil, why, and because of that, I'm buying, and this is my target. Watch it. Not today, not tomorrow, but in like 5 days, market reaches my target because of technical reasons that I use for many years. I hope that my technical targets will help you to earn money, but don't trade unless you understand how to put stop loss, how to put take profit, and what money management is, okay? I wish you profits, guys. Stay with me here. So what do you like a lot? I know you like the pre-market stories. You like to understand what's up with the market. And this week, until the 27th of January, there were a lot of statistical data from America, and you didn't see American dollar going down too much. What you have to pay attention to that this is the end of January, and next week we're gonna get the beginning of February. When market is in between months, it doesn't behave as usual. Between months, you will see markets stopping a little bit, and in the beginning of a new month, they will consider PMI, and this is the most important information that we're going to get on Wednesday, next Wednesday, February 1st. The PMI from the world. China gives us PMI a little bit earlier, but what you have to pay attention to is that this week we have Chinese New Year, which means that China is off from the market. And all the data that we got this week from America, China didn't consider it yet. So in the beginning of next week, we are gonna get strong Chinese mood to the data that we got this week. And after that, they will consider PMI from China, and on 1st of February, we are gonna get huge volatility because China will consider American PMI, European, world PMI, and after that, America will come to trade market and will consider the PMI. So this in-between situation between January and February is a huge volatility for us. And you have to understand it, you have to face it. It is an opportunity to get good trades intraday on 1-hour chart, on 4-hour chart, on 30-minute chart, but not that much on daily chart. I hope you understand what I'm talking about, and of course I'm going to share my technical picture with you. You can ask me about more instruments, but usually I show what I trade, what I like to talk about. Let's go. This is American dollar index, and every time I'm trying to search the market, I start with American dollar index because it will show me the total tendency. On a weekly chart, tendency is going down. And what I want to show you is current level of support, which is important. It's 101.30. I told you that this is my target for American dollar to go down. Yes, it's there. My congratulations to you if you decided to follow my ideas. Good. So right now, they're not showing me buy signal actually. Yes, we can see that market is a little bit bored of going down, but it doesn't mean that they're going to go up. And maybe the situation that China is off this week is being a stop period for the market. So on Monday, Tuesday, they can go down more. Why? Because of data that we got from America this week. So right now, they're not showing us any buy or sell signal, but we understand that this is a good support. That was the minimum price in May 2022, and it's the minimum price in January 2023. If they break the support, they go lower to like 96 area. If they stay over here, so your target for American dollar index to go up is 103.30 area. If we take this picture to euro dollar, it means that they may give us correction. On weekly chart, let me show you monthly chart first. On monthly chart, level of resistance is 109.50. I told you about that. So market is really close to the target, but they didn't break it yet. If they break it, they will go to 115. It is important to understand. What also I like about the euro dollar, pay attention please. Look at the amount of pips they go down and percentage that they come back. For example, they go down from 160 to 124 and they come back to 151, which is like 75%. So they go down and 75% up. They go down 95% up. They go down 60% up. They go down 50% up. They go down 90% up. And now they go down, we believe, that they may come back like 50-70% up because euro is like that. So your target goes up to 115 if they break 109.50. On daily chart, yes, yesterday they showed me one black candle, but still this is not a sell signal. They didn't turn to down tendency. On 4-hour chart, there's still the seller is still really weak. Buyer is strong. And what I told you to pay attention to is the 200 moving average on 30-minute chart and on 1-hour chart. If they broke 200 moving average on 30-minute chart, we should follow this support. The 200 moving average on 1-hour chart. And this is your call to action moment. If they break this support, the 200 moving average on 1-hour chart, this will be your moment to sell euro. Where is my target? Where should I sell it to? Your target will go down to here, which is 107. Lower price is 106.60, and they can reach it actually. But right now, it doesn't look like you should sell. Why? Because they didn't break the support. 30-minute chart is a good moment, but they break it once, twice, 3 times. It's a weak tendency. On 1-hour chart, they come to this area and they give us rebound. They come to this area, they give us rebound. That's why I consider it as a strong support. And in the moment when they break 200 moving average, we should sell euro dollar because this will be a strong moment for us to earn with short positions. Let's talk about Japanese yen. I was buying this currency pair yesterday Why? Because I can see, I told you before, I can see that they are weak those days. And China is off, so there is nobody who will trade United States dollar with Japanese yen. It means that they will stay in a range, and that's what I was trying. I told you in my previous videos that we should trade in a range. You put a RSI period 14 on 30-minute chart, and this is the 70 zone where you sell. This is 30 zone where you buy. This is 70 zone where you sell and 30 zone where you buy. So that's how it works, combining with different other instruments like American dollar index. And of course you should consider like 1 hour chart. You can see how they come to the support area, and that was a strong moment to buy. Now they come to the level of resistance. I check 30-minute chart and I'm like, okay, it's not good to hold this position anymore. So I sell near 130.40. I wanted market to go up to like 131 and 132, but I can see that the RSI is near the 70 zone. And China is off, so there is nobody who will push this currency pair up. So I just quit and I wait for a new position. What we should do now, we should trade in this range until China is off. So I'm not buying it today. On 30-minute chart, that was a moment to buy, but I was asleep. And yeah, right now there is no opportunity for me to buy. I can watch 15-minute chart. There is still no opportunity to buy. Only if I see some shadows on the bottom side and I see some shadows on the top side from euro, for example, I can try to buy this currency pair, but only intraday. Generally, they are still in down tendency. It is important. There are some people who say that Japanese yen will go to 126, and this is actually like my position. Before they broke that break tendency, they still may go to 126. Others say that they will go to 100 area. I don't believe that. No, because this is my technical picture. Watch it. This is my technical picture with upgoing tendencies since 2011, when the Bank of Japan started to change the monetary policy, and that was a huge opportunity for us to work that Japanese yen will be weak, and yes, we were selling it, but right now they give us a huge correction. Does it mean that Japanese economy is getting really strong? Well, the whole world now is having problems in economies. So this correction is not a sign to hold this currency pair down. I feel like they're still weak, and I do believe that we should find an entry point to buy this currency pair. But right now, they're not showing me any buy opportunity. So I'm going to work to the down tendency until they are going down. And my level of support is 126, 126.60. Okay? So yeah, intraday you can work with the RSI period 14, and after they start to go lower and you see shadows on the top side and 1 hour chart, we should sell down to 126.60. For Euro Japanese yen, I didn't sell it yet. Do you think I should? Actually, about this currency pair, I do believe they will reach 142.80. That's why I still don't sell it. Every time they're trying to hit the support and they give me a rebound. Hit support and give a rebound. I believe they will hit 142.80. After that, they may try to go down. So, yes, I'm trying to find entry points to buy this instrument. Not strongly, actually, not strongly, because I don't like it too much. I don't like to trade this currency pair too much. I just trade Japanese yen, I trade euro. That's why sometimes I do trade this currency pair as well, and I don't sell it yet because technically I feel that they go to this area. Why technically? Because I watched those levels 30 and 70 on RSI, and they still didn't reach this 70 area. So I do believe maybe today, maybe on Monday, maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday, but they reach this level of resistance, and only after that I'm going to try to work down. It doesn't mean that I'm going to sell. If I have signal, I will sell, but I'm not selling because of this RSI situation, and I feel that they're trying to go higher. Also, I'm usually making those short videos. Did you watch my shorts in YouTube here? So go please to my channel and check shorts. There I write comments about the market, and I told you that it's not a bad idea to buy Australian dollar. I hope you did it. If you did not, it's okay. You still have opportunity to do this. Well, for Australian dollar, current price is 0.71, and my idea to buy this instrument is based on a strong gold prices and also on China demand for gold. And you know that Australia is exporting gold, so they're gonna be, like in a good profit because of that. My level of resistance goes up to 0.76, but yesterday I made this Fibonacci extension on daily and weekly chart, and it looks like level of resistance goes up to 0.77, not even 0.76. Your resistance is around, I don't see 200 moving average indicators, moving average, I need 200, okay. And on weekly chart, right now, they're touching the 200 moving average. It means that they are not going to break it from the first time. That's why they will stop over here right now. But after they break this resistance, they will reach 0.76, 0.77. That's what I believe in for this instrument. So I'm not selling it yet. I'm going to find entry point to buy Australian dollar against American dollar. So we should go to gold and silver. This is silver, current price is 23.70, and I told you to be aware of 23 area, because if they break 23 area, they will reach 21.80, 22 area. Every time they're trying to go higher, but the buyer is weak right now. So here you also may use a RSI period 14 on 1 hour chart, and this is 30 zone to buy silver, 70 zone to sell silver. And also you may use divergence, like over here, divergence. And right now silver is going down. So you're not buying it, but you sell until RSI is on its way to 30 area. If we talk about gold, current price is 1,924. And yes, this is my general picture where I show you the support, which was important for the market. And what I want to share with you is my general target, which goes up to like 2090, 2080 zone. This is level of support, but after that they will hit like 2150 zone. If we consider 4-hour chart, they're still not breaking important levels of support. Yes, this is a small correction, but they are above Shimoku cloud. They are above the tendency lines. So on 1 hour chart, they did not break the 200 moving average. We are not allowed to sell right now. So still, they are in upgoing tendency. And this area may become an entry point for long positions, but you need to see shadows on the bottom side and buy with a general target 1,980. But right now, you don't trade. You trade gold on American session and Asian session. It's much better. So right now we should wait, and later on we will be buying gold if they show us shadows on the bottom side. Okay, I hope this will help you to earn money, guys. You're welcome to ask questions under the video. And yes, traders, I live in Dubai, but I don't meet personally because I don't want to, I don't need to. I'm giving you a lot of information for free here on YouTube in my Telegram channel. And please, if there are people who want to meet you personally and give you some special advice, those are people who are going to cheat on you. And it is really, really dangerous because there are a lot of people who are trying to steal money. And Dubai police is working on that really strong. When I get phone calls from people who are like, "Hi, I'm calling from Dubai Bank of Dubai. I want to share some information with you. Can you give me your ID number?" Those are people who are really bad, who are trying to steal people's money. And what I say to them, I say every time, "Hi, I'm going to call to police right now and give your phone number." What they do, they hang up because they are afraid of police that works here. And they're fighting those people. So if there is anyone who's trying to meet you personally, who's trying to ask you personal information, you never give your personal information. Never. Not on the call, not from someone from the internet. I am showing you my face, but I am not asking you anything about your personal information. I don't need it. I only share my ideas about the market. I'm not going to give you advices. I'm not going to give you any directions. I'm sharing my trading ideas that are based on my on my life because I used to live with this chart for many years. And right now, people, please, if you want to earn money here in this market, you have to learn how to do it. If you just believe that God will help you, well, it doesn't work like that. You have to work, you have to know the rules, how to trade, and after that it's okay to trade, okay? So please be aware that there are a lot of people who want to steal your money, and this is the reality. UAE is a country where you'll see a lot of wealthy people, but there are, like two positions. If economic situation in the country is too bad, there will be a lot of people who want to steal your money, who want to cheat on you. But in wealthy countries, those cheaters are also exist. They are here. It's not that easy for them because we are protected with a really strong police and we don't believe easy things. But still, there are people who just believe other people. And they were like, oh no, it will not happen. Yes, it will happen. So please be aware of those situations. Never say anyone your personal data. And if you want to learn how to trade, do it. Don't just try to trade, but learn the rules. If you need my help, I'm going to help you here for free on YouTube, but not with the personal meetings and other, okay? I wish you profits. I wish you to be healthy and wealthy and to be in a good mood. I hope that sun comes to our city really soon and I'm gonna be wearing not such a, not such a sweater. So yeah, I wish you a good day, guys. Please press thumbs up under the video. Bye bye.